Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Ralph's Mastercard account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Ralph's Mastercard account from your computer, simply open up your preferred browser. Like I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see. And on the search bar of your browser, click there and type in Ralph Mastercard.com like this and hit enter, or you could simply search for Ralph's Mastercard login like this itself on the Google. And on the first result of Google, you can see the Ralph's Mastercard.com. This is the home page of Ralph's Mastercard. Click over there, and this is also the home page of Ralph's Mastercard. You can see both of these websites are same. Let's pause one of these. Now to log into your Ralph's Mastercard account, you can see the login option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and when the page loads, you can see you are under the Ralph's Rewards World Elite Mastercard. Now to log into your Ralph's Mastercard, you will be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Ralph's Mastercard account from the computer. And if you have not yet created an account on Ralph's Mastercard, you can see the create username and password option available over here. Click over there and you'll be taken to the sign up page of Ralph's Mastercard account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Ralph's Mastercard account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.